there, darling. How are you today? Have you got a story to tell Mama? Yes. And what else? Did you sleep like a good boy last night? Yes, you did. But what did you do this morning early? You rolled onto your tummy, didn't you? And you couldn't roll backwards. Is that a funny trick? Is that a funny trick? Yes. Yes. Are you having fun, darling? Are you playing? You're kicking and playing. Hey, sweetie pie. Is it nearly time for your breakfast? And your raspberry cereal? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Hey. What else, darling? Where are we going to go today? Are we going to go in the car? Yes. We're going in the car. That's right. Are we going to visit your friend Zara? Yes, we are, aren't we? Are you going to be a good boy today? Yes. Yes. What else can you tell Mama? Hey? What else can you tell Mama? Hey, darling? Yes. Yes. Yes, big boy. Are you playing nicely? Are you dancing with your feet? Hey, are you busy boy? Say ta-ta now. Say bye. Bye, Babala.